This is Miss Nike. Oh, we cannot get enough of Miss Nike. She's my smallest little girl. She's red collar. She's got a beautiful blaze. And she's got her little... Oh, did you see Apollo's yawns for you? He's a darling. He also has the blaze on his forehead. Yeah, he's so beautiful. He's, I think, your smallest boy. He is perfect, though. Today, the puppies have all hit a great milestone. They are exactly 1 week old. We've been tracking their weight. We've started their early neurological stimulation and their early scent introduction.